Alright, so this is probably our first corn video in a series of corn videos that I am going to release. This is actually, I'm not sure if it's a recipe because it's so easy. Basically, it's Bắp Nướng Hành, meaning grilled corn with green onion oil. Pretty basic, right? The green onion oil is just basically oil, chopped green onion, a little bit of salt. And that's it. And so you grill the corn and you put on the green onion. That's it. Kind of like that Mexican corn dish, elote. It's pretty messy to eat. Same with this, but I guess less condiments on it. Oh, let's check on our corn. So as I've said earlier about the whole drama experience with the cyber bullies and stuff like that, that might argue that this grilled corn with green onions is basically a snack. But you know what? You know, in Vietnam, some people are so poor. This snack is probably their meal for the whole day. So it does count as a meal. Maybe for us here, we have so much to eat that we only view it as just a snack. Oh, so hard to do with the camera. Onion oil drops down into the flame and picks up this awesome smell. Ooh, I'm gonna have to put this camera down and do my job here. Ooh, let's eat this most plumped one. Damn it, I got no napkins. Now this is going to be messy, all right? Even though they don't have those cheese and stuff like the elote, you know? That's good. Oh man. Now these corn are different than Vietnam. These are sweet corn. So the corn here in the States are like more sweet. But in Vietnam, the corn are more, how do I say, yeo? Yeo is like chewy in texture. But, and it's not as sweet as over here. But it's still really good. So that's why they add all the seasoning and stuff. But here, it's even better because the corn are really sweet. And you got that little hint of saltiness from the green onion oil that we made, which we put a little bit of salt in there. And this charcoal though, it brings out the corn flavor. So how do you guys eat your corn? You're either Vietnamese, Chinese, Cambodian, whatever your culture is. Comment down below of how you guys eat your corn on the cob. All right. Make sure to check out our next corn videos. All right. Peace, guys.